Hi. So, I show you all that techie stuff I bought, right? Right? Bring down my laptop bag, and it's huge. Sucker's huge. Because it's a backpack type. And it's a huge computer. However, my tripod is in my camera bag, which isn't down here at the office. But I got something. So I wanted to show it to y'all. So let me open it. This is going to complete my selfie phone system. Ta-da! There you go. Now that's cool. I can, when I want to vlog and use my gimbal with my phone, I now have a mic so that when I'm walking in the wind or what have you, I'm not going to get all that noise. So let's open it and see what's in it. It better not be taped. Open, open sesame. This is not wireless, but I didn't want a wireless one. Okay, so another pouch. Everything comes in pouches. And instructions. And how to use part of the speaker system. A little sound buffer. That's kind of cool. There we go. So tiny. Do not eat. No, not good. Do not eat. Silica gel. No. Oh. Okay, wow, this is a long cord. This is a really long cord. Okay. And, oh gee, I thought I could use it right away and show you it, but there's things in here. One is an iPhone type jack, and it comes with a regular 3.5 millimeter jack. I guess these are the little accessories that you pin to your clothes and what have you. A little tiny battery in there, blah, blah, blah. Open, open, open. Geez, there's some tiny pieces in here. Okay, so there is the mic cover. There is the clippy thing for your clothes. Well, that's stiff. And really? That can't be an iPhone jack. Really? David? That big? No. I don't know. I thought it was an iPhone jack. It's some jack. It's a jack. It's a jack. Okay, so there's a little battery. It doesn't want to come out. It says, no, 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 don't make me. Really, seriously, don't make me come out of the package. There. Okay. Okay. Empty. Empty, empty, empty. So, I really don't like reading instructions. I'm terrible about it. But as you can tell, this is the mic part. Has the little holes in it. Do you slip this on? Well, I don't need the wind muff right now because I'm in an office. I just kind of want to play a second, see how it works. There we go, got that on. Kinda. There we go, now it's on. Where does the battery go? Some people actually read the instructions. Can you imagine? For cameras, for smartphones. Okay, so, maybe that's for a huge honking camera. Okay, so it actually has, and this is a BOYA, by the way, and it actually does have a camera and a cell phone switch to switch from cameras to cell phones. And then in the center, it's off. I would imagine the battery goes in here. Quick, 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 quick. Okay. Oh, it's nice. Omnidirectional microphone. And this is also the little power pack. Alrighty. And this little thingy dingy clips onto this little thingy dingy somehow or another. It clips. Okay, I got ahead of myself. It clips onto there. Snap on, snap on. And you know what's really, really handy? I got a mess on my shirt. There. That's the real reason to buy one of these, is to hide stains when you get stains on your shirt. See? Okay. Oh, and there's also a clip here that you could clip, I don't know, something, belt, I don't know, maybe, pants, I don't know. Clip it onto something. Okay, battery. La 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 la. Oh, just as I thought. Look. Just as I thought. Oh, the little tab and the little battery. Which way do it go? Positive, negative. What? Remove the old battery. I can't do that. There's no old battery. Okay, so which side is positive? I mean, I know which side's positive, which side's negative. What goes to what? So I don't know if the springy part in here goes to that or the other side. How does a normal battery go? Take my mouse apart. It'll answer that for me. Okay, the flat side goes on the spring. And that's the flat side, I reckon. Dum, 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 dum. Come on, get out of the way. It says stick a toothpick or something in there, but I don't happen to have toothpicks in the office. Let's try it this way, Dan. Come on, little springy dingy. Ah, there we go. We go. Oh. Got it, but somebody forgot to put the tab underneath the battery. Somebody's not going to worry about that right now. Somebody's going to fold that up, and then somebody's going to take this thing back down and screw it back together. And then somebody is going to plug it in. Let's see how much of a difference the sound makes. Yeah, my plug hole. Not the wrong hole. Just what everybody wants to see. There. Guess what? I finally got it to work. I've been working on this all day. I mean, seriously, I have been trying to figure this out all day. And couldn't get any sound. And so I researched a few YouTube videos and found that teddy bear. You got a teddy bear. I'm sorry. Distractions. I found that I had to download Open Camera and then set it to external mic. And that worked. Peace out. Have a good night. Teddy. Yeah, I'm crazy. Night, y'all.